In response to media queries regarding the recent statement by the General Secretariat of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation or OIC, the official spokesperson Arindam Bagchi said, and I quote, "We have seen the statement on India from the General Secretariat of the OIC. The Government of India categorically rejects OIC Secretariat's unwarranted and narrow-minded comments." The statement read that India accords the highest respect to all religions. It said, and I again quote, "The offensive tweets and comments denigrating a religious personality were made by certain individuals. They do not in any manner reflect the views of the Government of India. Strong action has already been taken against these individuals by relevant bodies." Scorching heat conditions in north and central India, including western parts of the country. Once again, Delhi and its surrounding areas are facing heat wave conditions. Today, IMD has issued a yellow alert warning of heat wave conditions at isolated places in Delhi. The temperature was recorded at 47 degrees Celsius at many places in Delhi on Saturday. The accused in the Hyderabad gang rape case allegedly tried to destroy the evidence of the crime by wiping off the car where 5 youths, including 3 minors, allegedly raped a 17-year-old girl on May 28. As per reports, despite the attempts to destroy evidence, investigators managed to recover some crucial evidence such as biological fluid, earrings, footwear and hair, and sent them for forensic examination. The police have now invoked Section 201 of the IPC against the accused. Investigators are now in the process of recording the statements of the survivors under Section 164. Based on this, the name of other accused would be added to the FIR if needed. The Enforcement Directorate is conducting searches at several locations connecting to Delhi Minister Satyendra Jain and alleged Hawala operators in a money laundering case. Delhi Health Minister and AAP leader Satyendra Jain was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate on May 30th in a money laundering case. Assets worth 4.81 crore rupees linked to the Aam Aadmi Party minister's family were attached by the ED in a disproportionate assets case in April of this year. Jain will be in ED custody till June 9th.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.